Hello, everyone. One of the most confusing things in the entire world, I'm going to prove it to you, is comparing and ordering decimals. Every time I've ever taught this, when I put this problem on the board and I'm going to say to you, go ahead and put these in order, the red numbers from smallest to largest, almost everybody gets it wrong. So I'm going to invite you to try it. Put these red numbers in order from smallest to largest. Pause the video and try it. All right. Now, let me show you. There's a trick to doing this. It makes this super easy. It's written sideways, which messes with our brains. So watch what happens when I list these vertically, and I'm going to supersize these a little bit. And I'm going to line these up by the decimal point, by the place value, 0, 1, 1, so I can clearly see what number is in each group here. 1, 1, and 1.01. Now, what makes this tricky is that all of these things are different places. So what I want to do is add in, and I'll do it in light green, I guess, to make them all the same size. So this has 4 decimal places. You pick the biggest one. This is 4 decimal places, and you make them all have 4 by adding 0. You can add zeros behind and not change the value of the decimal. But what it does do is it makes it easy for our brains to see. Watch, these all have 1s over here, and the decimals. All you do is you look at these numbers here: 10, 1,000, 1,011, 110, and 100, and you put them in order that way. This would be the smallest. Let's see here. This would be the second smallest, third smallest, and then getting bigger, this would be, that would be the biggest one. And this is how you do it, ordering stuff from smallest to largest. Now, showing you another type of problem that's in the same, category as that is something like this, where you got to put less than, greater than, or equal to between two things. People miss the heck out of this, but you don't have to, because you know this now. This has 4 decimal places. This has 3. Make it have 4. Put another one on there. Let's just go ahead and do this one while we're at it. This has 3 decimal places. This has 1. Put 2 zeros on there. And then just compare what you got. 56 versus 60. And then what I tell myself, there's Pac-Man and they eat the bigger number. I point the sign at the smaller number. So I point the sign at the smaller number as if laughing at it because it's so small or whatever like that. But I point the sign at the small number. 56 is smaller than 60. This one is 600 versus 64. That's smallest. Boom, done. And that's all you have to do. Practice it. Try it. It makes a very confusing thing really simple. Have a good one.